Hello viewers. Today's my topic is Pre-Raphaelite poetry. It is established in 1848. A few young artists and men of letters united to oppose the conventional or academic approach to art and as a homage to the simple sincerity of the early Italian painters called themselves the as the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood or PRB. One of the group members is Dante Gabriel Rossetti. He was remarkable both as painter and poet. Rossetti had a pronounced idiosyncrasy of style that made imitation impossible to him. Brotherhood expressed its purpose in a magazine, The Germ, thoughts towards nature in poetry, literature, and art. The literary importance of this magazine is mainly due to the 11 poems by Rossetti himself and the 7 lyrics by his sister Christina. This poem collection is The Blessed Damozel. Pre-Raphaelite painted clearly and definitely the natural objects such as flowers, fruits, trees, and houses, etc. They protested against the materialism and intellectualism of the age. Romantic impulse of Raphaelitism, and this romanticism consists of medievalism and Hellenism. The second group member is William Morris. In him we find pre-Raphaelitism is colored by a nature whose instincts are more English. He delights in unfolding broad canvas where effects are bathed in an atmosphere of serenity. Swinburne. A.C. Swinburne. His collection of poems is The Queen Mother and Rosamund. This is his first book, which is written in blank verse. The other collection is Atalanta in Calydon. It is classical in subject. It is an attempt to reproduce the characteristic forms of Greek drama in English verse. There is a female writer in this group also. Her name is Christina Georgia Rossetti. She was the sister of Gabriel Dante Rossetti. She was a devout Christian. She finding the highest inspiration in her faith and investing Anglican ideals of worship with a mystical beauty. Her collection of poems is Goblin Market and Other Poems, which is rich in devotional feelings. So this is Pre-Raphaelite group of writers. Hope all of you like this video. Thanks for watching.